Chapter 20. The voice, active and passive. The form of a verb which shows whether the subject does something or an action has been done to it is called voice. Voice is of two kinds, active voice and passive voice. A verb is in the active voice when its form shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something, or in other words, the subject is the doer of the action. The active voice is so called because the person denoted by the subject acts. A verb is in the passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. Read the following examples. Aman plays cricket. Cricket is played by Aman. It will be seen that these two sentences express the same meaning. But in sentence 1, the form of the verb shows that the person denoted by the subject, Aman, does something. The verb plays is said to be in active voice. In sentence 2, the form of the verb shows that something is done to the person, Aman, denoted by the subject. The verb played is said to be in passive voice. Always remember, in passive voice, the person or thing denoted by the subject is not active but passive. Changing the voice from active to passive. Only transitive verbs can be changed from active to passive. The object of the verb becomes the subject of the passive verb. Pronouns are changed as under I, me, he, him, she, her, they, them, you, it. The three forms of some verbs are given below. Tense or modal plus base, active voice, passive voice, formation, simple present, take, takes, is taken, am taken, are taken, is, am, are plus V3, present continuous, is taking, am taking, are taking, is being taken, am being taken, are being taken, is, am, are plus being plus V3. Present perfect, has taken, have taken, has been taken, have been taken, has or have plus been plus V3. Simple past, took, was taken, were taken, was or were plus V3. Past continuous, was taking, were taking, was being taken, were being taken, was or were plus being plus V3. Past perfect, had taken, had been taken, had plus been plus V3. Simple future, will take, shall take, will be taken, shall be taken, will be or shall be plus V3. Can, may, must plus base, can take, must take, can be taken, must be taken, can be or must be plus V3. Changing imperative sentence into passive voice. Let her solve the sum, active. Let the sum be solved by her, passive. Don't push her, active. You should not push her, passive. She shouldn't be pushed, passive. Or let her not be pushed, passive. Help me, active. You are requested to help me, passive. Or I should, may or must or ought to be helped, passive. Modal tense. While changing modal tenses, that is, can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, has to, have to, and had to, the verb is changed to the third form and be is added before the verb. Read the following examples. She should write a story. Active. A story should be written by her. Passive. Look at the following sentences. I had been watching the film since 4 p.m. He will have been playing games with his cousin since afternoon. They will be playing a match on Monday. She has been reading a story for 3 hours. These are the sentences of past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, future continuous and present perfect continuous tense respectively. The sentences of these tenses are not changed into passive voice. They are always used in the active voice. Let's recapitulate. A sentence can either be in the active voice or in the passive voice. In the active voice, the subject does something, but in the passive voice, something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject as Indians like cricket, active voice. Cricket is liked by Indians, passive voice. The subject in the passive voice is changed as under active, passive, I, he, she, me, him, her, we, they, you, it, us, them, you, it. Verb changes from active to passive. Tense, active voice, passive voice, formation, simple present, take or takes, is, am, are, takes, is, am, are plus past participle, present continuous, is, am, are, taking, is, am, are plus being plus taken, is, am, are plus being plus past participle, present perfect, has or have plus past participle, has or have plus been plus past participle, has or have plus been plus past participle, simple past, took, was taken, was or were plus past participle, past continuous, was or were plus taking, was or were plus being plus takes, was or were plus being plus past participle, past perfect, had taken, had plus been taken, had plus been plus past participle, simple future, will or shall take, will or shall plus be plus taken, will or shall plus be plus past participle, changing imperative sentences, help him, active, let him be helped or you should help him, passive, don't push her, active, you should not push her or she should not be pushed, passive. Note, while changing modal tenses, that is, can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, has to, have to and had to, verb is changed to the past participle and be is placed before it as I can do it, it can be done by me. Note, the sentences in the present, past and future perfect continuous tenses cannot be changed into the passive form. Likewise, the sentences in the future continuous tense are also not changed into the passive form.